let's jump right
Ow.
into it for the third time. Mario is now able to detect that he is still touching the platform underneath his feet, regardless that there's a gap between these two bricks. How is he pulling this off? This is because of box casting. And what is box casting? Well, what if instead we use raycast to shoot out a ray or a line, we shoot out a box. There are a couple of other shape casting, which are capsule and circle, but I'll use Boxcast for this, and I can link the Unity manual to the capsule and circle casting. Here's the breakdown in the scene. Everything is just the same like last time, but I added in a sprite to Mario. This is not the ground checker. This is a sprite that helps me roughly see what the Boxcast would look like. So it's not needed. Boxcast doesn't have a debug.drawRay equivalent, but there is a way to do it, and I'll link it in the description also. So let's check out how Boxcast is used in the script. Everything is just the same. Got my component variables, got my speed, got my jump speed, and I have an extra game object to grab that said box reference game object I have that follows Mario's feet. Everything's the same. Get user's input to go left or right, have Mario oriented in the right direction, have Mario to move, and here's the part where it's slightly different than the normal raycast. I have an extra vector2 variable that sets the size of the box, and the main difference between raycast and boxcast is that there's a function called boxcast, and there are extra parameters that need to be put into it. It has the origin. In addition to the offset that I have in origin, I have it to offset depending on how big the box is, so not that much. How big is the box is the second parameter. The angle that I should rotate the box in is 0. And which direction should I fire this box in? I'm shooting it down for ground checking. And for distance, I use the same size as the box in the Y direction, just so that it doesn't shoot out that far down. If you leave this out, then the raycast will shoot down forever into infinity. So I just want to limit it so that way it's just right underneath Mario's feet. So that's why I use the height of the box. And these two lines of code is just setting the position of the box reference and scaling it to roughly see where the box cast is. Everything else is the same. If it does hit something, then say that it's true that Mario is touching the ground, else false. And then just like before, if the user presses the jump button and is grounded, then jump. So that's pretty much what Boxcast is. I hope this helped you out getting it implemented quickly. Give this tutorial a like if it did, and subscribe to see more theme tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next level. Bye!